In this lesson, we're going to solve a one-step equation. So if we have a problem like this that says solve for y, 10y equals 80. So to solve for a variable, use inverse operations to undo the operations in the equation. So here's our equation, and inverse operations will need to be done to both sides of the equation to keep the expression equivalent. Or another way of saying that is balanced. Okay? So what you do to one side, you do to the other one. 10 is multiplying y, right? We could see that. 10 is multiplying y. So to undo this, divide both sides by 10. So the opposite of multiply is divide. So if we're multiplying by 10 here, then to undo it, let's divide by 10. And we do it to both sides to keep the equation balanced. So here it is, 10y over 10 equals 80 over 10. So the 10's cancel out, right? So we are left with y equals 8. And we've solved an equation. And that's as simple as it is. And don't worry if you don't get this right now. You could just rewatch the video. There's nothing wrong with repetition. So if you need further help, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this video. It'll take you right to this video and you could watch as you follow along in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.